What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Fantom. This is my favorite coin to trade right now. I've been making some extremely juicy profits. The bulls show massive strength when Bitcoin just prints a little bit of green. So we're sitting at $1.27. We're up 2.29% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.18 billion. 24-hour volume is 366 million. Ladies and gents, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start on the 1 hour chart. So I've been dollar cost averaging with Fantom on low leverage, and I have not lost a trade in over a week. So I entered at about $1.22. We'll use $1,000 as an example, and I split it up into equal amounts. So $200, I put $200 at $1.15, $200 at 108, $200 at 102, and $200 at 93 cents. On 3x leverage. So as you can see here, Fantom came down and it hit 115. So my next buy limit was hit and it brought my average price down to about 118. I'll throw it up on the screen. And now Fantom is up at 124. So I'm making some juicy profits. So every time the price comes down and hits one of your buy limits, you enter into the trade with more money and it brings your average price down and you can ride the slingshot back up. All right, guys. So here's your levels of resistance: 128, 136, 145. So I wanted to show you guys Fantom here on the 4 hour time frame. We are in an ascending channel and we're just starting to get back above the EMA. So we may come all the way up here to the top of the channel to test it as resistance once again, which is up at about $1.41. And then you have this level of resistance here at about $1.44. So do keep an eye on that. As you can see with Bitcoin, I don't even believe Bitcoin's printing a green candle. Yeah, currently we have a red candle, but as you can see, it's retracing a little bit and the Fantom bulls are just stepping up and pushing up the price. We had a nice little gain here of about 5% already for Fantom. So do keep an eye on 128. That will be the level of resistance. I'll be looking to take some profits, probably about 50% here. And then the next level is 136. But as you can see here, we have been just trading sideways as Bitcoin has been consolidating. And this dollar cost average method has been working really well for this sideways trading action. All right, guys, if we look at Fantom here on the daily time frame, so you can see we are just above the 20 EMA. Currently, the 20 EMA is in between the candles. We're still looking extremely strong. We got overextended. We came back. We haven't even come back down to the 55 just yet. But if we look at Fantom here on the weekly, you can see we're overextended and we're simply consolidating, allowing the 20 EMA. This isn't the best chart here, but allowing the 20 EMA to catch up on the weekly. So I will drop in some levels of support here for Fantom. We have 115. We have this level here at about 108, which was also support in this area. We have 102. You can see previous swing low, and then you have a previous swing high down at about 93 cents. So if you want to try out this dollar cost averaging method, I highly recommend it. I have not lost a trade in over a week trading Fantom and Harmony One with this method. Just use equal amounts. If you're using $100, if you're using $1,000, split it up into equal amounts and find your levels of support. Or another method is you can market order and then 5% down from your market order, put in your next equal amount of your trade and then keep dropping it by 5%, and you can keep entering them out. If you're using 1,000, split it up by 200. Depending on how many buy limits you want to set down, currently from the current price, my buy limits are set all the way down about 23%. But sometimes if we go through a crash, coins can come down 30%, even more before bouncing back to the upside. So you can set more buy limits if you'd like to. Just a little trading strategy that's been working really well for coins like Fantom and Harmony One. Guys, Fantom has just been added to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. They also have spot trading available. If you'd like to learn about leverage trading, check out my full link tutorial. Receive up to $600 in bonuses. I highly recommend the platform. They're also giving away free crypto, which you can access by signing up through my referral as well. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.